Hi guys, and if you've been following my channel over the last few days, you'll have noticed that I'm wearing the same clothes. No, I'm not a bit of a dirty mess. The reason is I've filmed everything all at the same time, one after the other. But this should be day number 3 or 4, I forget where we are now. I'm uploading the videos for the great prize support that I've been given for reaching the milestone of 60,000 subscribers. Now, day 1 was from Redgrass Games, day 2 was from Game Mat EU, and today we're focusing on Stronghold Games in Hull. Now, Stronghold Games in Hull is run by two great guys, Ray and Dave, and I've known them for many years. In fact, the biggest model I've ever built and painted to this day is from Stronghold Games in Hull. It was a Reaver Titan, a Nurgle one to be precise. Really cool that we got to do some grime and decay on it, and it turned out really well, I think. But anyway, the prize support that Ray and Dave from Stronghold Games in Hull are going to be giving away is a fantastic Games Workshop box set. I believe it's called Blood of the Phoenix, and it's a wonderful dual army box set from Games Workshop that's very expensive. Now, the giveaway for this is quite specific. The other two, anyone could enter, which is fine. But this one, I want to selectively get people to enter that has literally no backlog of miniatures. And what do I mean by that? Well, say for example, if you've got loads of unpainted miniatures in your hobby cabinet and you've got loads to paint, then I'd really like it if you didn't apply to win this prize. I'd like it to go to someone that's not got much to do with the hobby, so someone that's either new to the hobby, have limited funds for the hobby, or just getting into the hobby. So I want to support someone in the hobby that really needs and deserves this amazing box set from Stronghold Games in Hull. Now, all you have to do is leave a comment on the comments field of my Facebook page. Don't leave a message on this YouTube video, as you won't be entered into the giveaway. It has to be my Facebook page. State why you think you or a friend deserves to win the box set, and I will pick a winner at random. So, to recap the conditions, if you have a big backlog, please don't enter the competition. If you know someone that's really deserving of this box set, please enter them into this competition. And we'll get that draw done in about a week from now. I'll do it randomly from random.org. I'll grab all the names, get it done via the number, and then we'll pick a winner. And then I'll contact the winner on Facebook, and we'll get it sent out to you from Stronghold Games in Hull. And I just want to say a huge thank you to Stronghold Games. If you're ever in Hull, please pop along to the store. It's a treasure trove of hobbying wonders, and they're such friendly guys. And I really think you'd have a great day if you do get a chance to pop along to Stronghold Games in Hull. So, yes, thank you very much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Don't forget to leave that comment on my Facebook page to be entered within a chance to win the amazing box set, and I'll catch you in the next video.